Pancakes. Just the word sparks joy, doesn't it? They're breakfast royalty, perfect for lazy weekends or quick weekday bites. Light, fluffy, and oh so delicious, pancakes are a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. Whether you're a seasoned pancake pro or a first-timer, this guide has something for you. We'll journey through pancake history, share a foolproof recipe, and explore creative serving ideas. Get ready to flip out. Deliciousness awaits. Pancakes have a surprisingly long history dating back over 30,000 years. Archaeologists have discovered pancake-like remnants in the stomachs of Otzi the Iceman, proving our ancient ancestors enjoyed this treat. Ancient Greeks and Romans were big fans, flavor in their pancakes with honey and spices. Over time, pancakes evolved, taking on different shapes and flavors across various cultures. From French crêpes to Chinese scallion pancakes, there's a flatbread out there for everyone. But today, we're focusing on the fluffy American classic we all know and love. Before we get cooking, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you probably have most of these staples in your kitchen already. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1¼ cups milk, 1 large egg, and 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, plus more for greasing the pan. See? Simple and straightforward. Now let's move on to the fun part, making the pancakes. Section 4. Whisking your way to fluffy heaven. First, combine your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set this aside. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and melted butter until well combined. Now gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, whisking gently until just combined. Don't overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Heat a lightly greased griddle or large skillet over medium heat. For each pancake, pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cook through. Flip carefully, just once. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings. Congratulations, you've just made perfect pancakes. Have leftovers? Lucky you. Let the pancakes cool completely, then store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat them gently in the microwave or toaster for a quick breakfast or snack. Sweet or savory, pancakes are incredibly versatile. Embrace your inner chef and experiment with different toppings. Sweet fresh fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, nuts, maple syrup, fruit compote, powdered sugar. Savory, fried eggs, bacon, sausage, cheese, avocado, sautéed mushrooms, chives, sour cream. The possibilities are endless. So grab your spatula, get creative, and enjoy the wonderful world of pancakes.